Alright, today I got a small little fun puzzle for you. We're doing the She-You Padlock Puzzle. It's a small little puzzle. I like the design on it. Not anything over the top, really simple, quite a few, only a few pieces, so it shouldn't be overly complicated. Alrighty, so I got this padlock puzzle. Who is it by? I don't even remember. I will have to find out at some point, but it's this nice little padlock puzzle. Gotta see. Oh, this is easier than I thought it was gonna be. At least I think. So there's this pin in it, and you can't get the padlock open, so if you pull the pin out right there, let me see if I can get you guys to see that. There, if you look at it, see how it turns? There's an opening right in there, so I'm gonna see if I can put the key in it, see if it'll do something at that point. Alright, so we got the key here, I'm gonna put it in there. Oh, okay. So that does nothing. Okay. I'm not sure why there are these little notches here either. There's no way, can't pull the pin out of it. It's gotta be something holding this in. What is it? Trying to see if I can split the pieces, because there is a seam all the way around, but there is not. So do I gotta get this pin out before I open the padlock? Let's see if I just gotta push it. Nope. I can't push this in with the lock in it. It will not turn at all. There's no difference on orientation with this. Wonder what there's these little knobs here on the side, I'm not sure what they're for. Can't push it down anymore. Key can't be used for that. Nothing there. There's no other spot to put it. So how do we open this thing? It's an interesting one. Can't turn it at all. There's a lot of give to that, but there's nothing going on with this other than you can move it up and down and turn it. There's nothing on the other side of it. Can't push this at all. Push or pull. This is gonna be a fun one. I thought it was gonna be super simple, but it's not. Here, let me use my phone. Let's use the flashlight, see if we can. I don't see anything going on in there with the pin. Just looks like a simple pin. Huh. Oops. Maybe I should shut my flashlight off. That might help. Oh, gotta respond to my mom quick. Do, 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 do. Alright, so back to this. I can't put the key in any other way. There's no buttons on it. There's nothing with turning this that's doing anything. It's just simply this thing. Okay, you hear that click? Okay, it only does it on the one side. Okay, so if I do this, it doesn't turn as much. Put it all the way down, you get that clicking. There's no just like, you can't just pull it out either. I don't want to pry this thing and break it, but you clearly hear that click. See, I don't think if you keep this depressed, if you keep it pressed in here, let me. I don't see that making a difference in the lock. Yeah, that doesn't do anything. Why does it do that though? There's a lot of turning to it, so I wonder if there's an orientation with this thing. See, it doesn't. Okay, it still does it there. Still does it there. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see that. I hope my head's not in the way. But if I press this, it's actually moving this. It's like slightly turning it. So it is connected somehow. You can clearly see it's moving it there. So you can't. Oh. There it is! Okay, okay. So I got to there so far. Get stuck there. So what is it I'm supposed to do? To actually be able to get it. Or is that it? I don't think that's it. Maybe. That might be how you just get it. There's no actual pulling it out. I thought maybe you could get this out. But you can't. Got it there. I wonder if the key was supposed to be attached to it. Nope, didn't quite fit. I have seen that sometimes where the key's in the padlock, but it's not in there. Alright, well, I have nothing else to show that this is incorrect or not complete, but look, there, it's locked again. Alright, you guys, that one was a little challenging, but eventually figured it out. So it was all about the orientation of this when it's pulled out, giving you the ability to do that. Because look, I can't turn it anymore, so it's gotta be facing a certain way. Alright, you guys, that's the puzzle for today. Alright, you guys, that's the puzzle for today. You know, I'm gonna have another one next week. It's gonna be a lot more fun. Come back next Wednesday, 11 a.m.